It's going to poolside?
Yep, you were like,
well, hey, you want to come take a look? And after he takes a look, oh, that's that right there, and then, whoop!
are we doing tear down tonight?
Hey, Rob, are we doing tear down tonight? Or? No, not tear down.
Okay.
Hey Chris, can you hold up this panel?
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Okay. Can you make it run?
I can see that.
See, we have a very stubborn switch there.
Alright, well, that project's over.
So we done? Yep. We're done?
I'm going to take some...
Not tonight. We're not turning down tonight. We're turning down tomorrow.
I want to take some pictures and stuff. So.
Yep.
I'll take some pictures of the screens and stuff.
I'm going to go ahead and start process.
Hold on, you need a piece of metal.
So, we good? Yeah. We maybe
Here, take this aluminum off. Oh, there's a piece over here actually.
Yeah, cool. I'll give you a call when I get out of class.
Okay, eating a candy bar. Quick.
5 minutes.
But your documentation will probably be
Alright, we ready to start process?
Yep.
Do you want to hit the alarm screen so I can take a picture of that real quick?
Okay, go ahead, guys.
You good?
Starting process.
The back door's not open. Back door's not open.
Lost the back door again.
There.
I'll do it on the weekend.
It worked just fine throughout the whole project. I was so surprised every time Chris hit that thing. I'm like, come on!
That thing actually worked. That stupid limit switch
There you go.
is so annoying.
There's main display.
I like our simulated plane. I think that was a really cool added effect.
Tomorrow morning, if I really bother me, I'll phone you.
Well, you got 3 each.
Right, but still, don't have to association
You kept your hourly rate on it.
that.
Then,